Here we are at the spot in Maryland.
When you leave, you can go our way and then turn right at the stop sign, and that'll take you back out to that church
Okay.
there.
Could use a power washer on that side. You come right into this mudroom area here. Oop. So I'm not trying to make you dizzy here. Got these nice little bookshelf, curio areas built in. Cement floor in this area here. And they got this nice old wood stove. And then the wood stock area that you can fill from the outside. Window looking out to the deck there. You come up the stairs, you come right into the kitchen. Got the island here in the middle. Got your pantry there built into the corner. And you got your oven and microwave over here. Lots of cabinet space. And here's your dining room. Nice bay window there. To the left is the living room here. You got the nice big sliding door going on under the deck. Both bedrooms here have French doors. Small closet there in the corner. Then a half bath in this guest room. And then here's your craft room. Another nice big bay window. And a small mirror closet there. Cutting through the dining room and kitchen here, we got, I think this is basement access there, yep. We'll go down in just a second. Across from the basement door, you have this nice, probably 4 feet deep and 6 feet wide. Washer and dryer upstairs. Nice big bedroom off to the right here. Master. Got your walk-in closet. Then you got your master bath, but it's also accessible to guests. Got the 3-way mirror for trimming the neckline. Got the elongated toilet bowl with the bidet built in. Nice walk-in shower with a bench. Nice little linen closet there so you're not stumbling out in the hall if you forget your towel. And we'll take a look down here in the basement. Some more bookshelves there on the way down. Some storage cubbies above. I don't see any Z cracking in any of the cinder block. Got your generator in your box there. There's your access for underneath the house. Plenty of storage space here on these shelves. Water softener, I'll have to see on the history report, that may or may not be owned or rented, not sure which. Nice big water heater. Natural gas. Alright. That's pretty much it for the inside of the house. We'll go check out this. Looks like there's 4 other realtor cards on the table, so I can call and see if there's any other offers coming in. See if there would be competition if we were to write. You got the wheelchair access there. And we'll take another quick look inside of here. You got this nice big covered space on the side. Nice big open spot. You could close that off up there and save on heat for that other area. Got a nice pull open door there and another one here. These two are electric doors. This one's a pull open door. And we got right off to the right here, we got the cartridge reloading station. And then this nice big shop space. It's got a chimney for wood stove, or it has the heater up there in the corner. All right, I'll keep this short so it doesn't take forever to upload and send it over to you right away.